Hey guys, welcome back. We are back to another beautiful location, and today we are going to perform the drop test of the OnePlus Nord on this very rough surface. This is pretty common surface in India, and I'm sure in your country too. So we will be doing the exclusive drop test of the OnePlus Nord. Even though we have done the drop test, we have did the durability check of the OnePlus Nord on the indoor environment. I have one phone which is already broken. I have to repair them, and I checked the estimation. It's around 17,000 Indian currency. So probably display charge part is going to be around 12 to 13,000. So as you can see, this is very costly, expensive display. And I have purchased another OnePlus Nord, which is in my pocket, perfectly working condition, perfectly pristine condition, and everything is okay. So let's do the drop test of the OnePlus Nord on this surface and find out from which height this phone is going to fail. And we know that it's going to fail because it's already failed on the indoor, but point is to find out from where this phone is going to be completely drop dead. Okay, at the first waist height, let's see. 3 2 1 OnePlus Nord. Oops. Okay, no problem. All right, camera side, drop number 2. So far doing good. Rear side, drop number 3. And it cracked. So the impact is actually from here, and it is spreading from here, and you can see a lot of scuffing on the frames. All right, and drop number 4, screen side, just 2 feet height, and it's cracked. Oh, it's not cracked. It's awesome. It's just not cracked. Okay, so that is pretty cool, and display is still working. I'm going to increase the height. If you're talking around 5 to 6 feet height, here we go. 3 2 1. So the display is cracked from the bottom. Actually the point of impact is from here, but display is working, but the spiral webs are increasing from here. Okay, so drop number 6 I guess. Now from the camera side, here we go. 3 2 1. And the second impact is from here, and display again got cracked from here. So if there has to be a metal frame, then obviously it might have saved, but the plastic panel they won't save. Back panel is already cracked. Still, let's give a try. Very beautiful spiral webs, as you can see. Now this will be the last test. Let's see whether the phone is going to be drop dead or not. Actually I'm very sweating. This the weather here in India is very sweaty. Sorry for that. Okay, let's drop the phone. Here we go. 3 2 1 OnePlus Nord drop dead. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Phone is still working, but it has got lot of dents and drops. So anyway guys, this is the drop test of the OnePlus Nord. As you have seen, the phone may fail from any height, starting from the 2 feet height, and this time it is not drop dead. That is great, but again you're gonna have to change the display. That will cost around 12 to 13,000 rupees Indian currency. I will update you in the future. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Saurabh. Have a great day.